Hi, welcome to SSG Support Services.
Hi, can you please tell how to make a check call? Book on, book off?
Yes, sure. Basically, there are two ways. 1. Automated book on, off and hourly check calls. Using the site phone only, dial 01753 968 302 and enter your site number and PIN number to record book on, off and hourly check call through SSG Workforce Management called TimeGate or at defined intervals. These calls indicate to our automated system that all is well and record attendance. Let me demonstrate you by dial 01753 968 302.
Welcome to SSG Support Services Auto Booking on System. Please press 1 to book on, 2 to make a check call, or 3 to book off. Please press 1 to book on, 2 to make a check call, or 3 to book off. Please enter your PIN, followed by the hash key. Please enter your PIN, followed by the hash key. Everyone has been successfully booked on. Press 1 to return to the main menu, or hang up to end your call.
2. And you can also use SSG Employee app to book on, off and hourly check calls. App will use your phone GPS location, which will be recorded and displayed on SSG Control Room. All of our lone worker staff are supported by SSG Control Room 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In the event of a missed check call, personal alarm activation, an instant alert is raised, and our control room operators will follow a pre-agreed escalation procedure, such as call to security officer within 2 to 5 minutes of missed check call. This can also be a safety notification call to a manager or colleague, a call to the emergency services, or a mobile security response provided by SSG. Please note, consistent mischecks calls can lead to disciplinary action. I hope you understand. And you can also go to SSG Employee Portal to view this video.
Thank you.
Have a good day.